today another video, and in today's video, based on popular demand, I'm going to do IELTS General Reading True False Not Given 7 questions from section 1 of the reading passage, that is Gobridge Tramlink Frequently Asked Questions. I think I don't need to tell it, but still, if someone is new, true false not given and yes no not given type question types are always in a sequence. And yes, if you want me to make any other video on PTE or IELTS, just let me know in the comments down below and I'll do that. Or even if you have some requests, just put it on WhatsApp. The number would be scrolling somewhere. So coming back, the very first thing that we do is we read the title and the excerpt, and that says Gobridge Tramlink Frequently Asked Questions, FAQs. Here are some of the frequently asked questions about the tram service in Gobridge Town. When do the trams run? Gobridge Tramlink operates a network of trams that run throughout the year and provide links to main services, stations, and the airport. Okay. Next thing that we need to do is understand that this is a true false not given question, not a yes no not given question. Is it important or does it create any difference, any significant difference? Yes, because अगर आप लोग true false not given कर रहे हो, by design these question types force you to find out facts and figures. These are objective. Whereas yes no not given is based on writer's opinion, so you should not be confused about what you need to find. Okay. Alright. Question 1. The city buses start operating later than the trams. Okay. यहाँ पे basically it is trying to say कि जो city buses हैं inside the tram that are related to Gobridge Tramlink, they start operating later than the trams itself. Okay. So hypothetically, if city buses start operating at 7 a.m., the trams would be operating at 6 or 6:30 a.m. The starting time. Okay. When do the main keywords and city buses start operating trams? And yeah, here you find it. First tram from the city center leaves from Marvin Square at 6:30 a.m. half an hour after the city bus service. So according to the passage, the tram leaves at 6:30 a.m. whereas city bus leaves at 6 a.m. But यहाँ पे तो city buses opposite है. So this answer is technically given. Yes, all keywords are there, and it is false because this is speaking completely opposite to what is written in the passage. So, if you are a paper-based candidate, please understand, write all your answers in the reading and listening test in the capital letter. ये किसी भी तरफ से कोई requirement नहीं है, but eventually what happens is when you write in small case, you don't write in a very good handwriting. That is why every trainer advises you to go ahead and write in capital letters. First one is done, and let's go to the second one. अगर समझ आया हो, just let me know. Hit the like button. Okay, question number 2 says you can get a tram from the airport to the city center up to the midnight. Okay, तो आपको जो एक ट्रैम है वो एयरपोर्ट से सिटी सेंटर मिलेगी up till 12 in the night. Let's see where is it located. The second paragraph speaks somewhat the same. हाँ, टाइमिंग भी है यहाँ पे. Okay, you only get it till 7:30 in the late evening, and उसके बाद नहीं. तो टेक्निकली सिटी सेंटर से आपको ट्रैम जरूर मिलेगी, but it's not up to the midnight. It's just up to the 7:30 p.m., which is in contrast to what the question statement is saying. So I have to again say that this question statement also is given, but says opposite to what is written in the passage. So therefore, it's a false. Okay. Question number 3. We've got 2 falses. Where are our trues and not givens? Okay. 207 bus service stops at the main railway station. जो भी सिटी का मेन रेलवे स्टेशन है वहां पे 207 की बस सर्विस रुकती है. Where do you have 207? It's a primary keyword, easy to find. The 20 bus runs every hour through the night. ठीक है, but इसका फाइनल डेस्टिनेशन कहीं नहीं लिखा है. So see, इससे पहले trams then run to the main railway station 35 minutes. Okay, doesn't talk about it. फिर तो paragraph ही change हो गया. तो technically this information is not provided to us. Therefore, it will be a not given. Whatever doubts you have, whatever questions you have, the number scrolls on the screen and you can ask it in the comments also. I'll reply to it 100% sure क्योंकि 9 ही subscribers हैं, nothing difficult for me to manage. Okay, cost of a tram ticket varies. depending on your journey. Okay, ठीक है. If you are going from Rajiv Chowk to Connaught Place, the cost might be different. If you're going to Azadpur Mandi from Rajiv Chowk, the cost will be different. Tickets. Acha, true, false, not given, yes, no, not given. They are all in a sequential order, so I think you might be able to get why I'm not scrolling back. Okay. Tickets are not sold by ticket vending machines. Are located at all tram shelters. Check your route and make sure. Okay, price की बात तो आ गई. But does it talk about? But does it talk about anything else? No, it does not talk about anything else. So नहीं, बात तो कर रहा है. Because question number four technically means कि जो आपका ट्रेन टिकट है उसका कॉस्ट वेरी करेगा डिपेंडिंग अपॉन योर जर्नी. और यहाँ पे ये कह रहा है प्लीज चेक योर रूट एंड मेक श्योर यू बाय द करेक्ट प्राइस टिकट. तो हाँ, आपकी टिकट का जो करेक्ट प्राइस है विल डिपेंड अपॉन योर रूट. तो ऑल्दो टेक्निकली इट्स नॉट गिवन directly, but it is saying the same thing, so therefore it's true, right? Okay, we've got false, false, not given, and one true. तो सारे हो गए. Technically ना, in a true, false, not given and yes, no, not given question statement, always it happens that there would be at least one true, one false, and one not given. The whole cycle is complete. It is also applicable for yes, no, not given. Question number 5 says bicycles are allowed on the trams between. Okay, तो bicycles trams पे allowed है लेकिन एक certain time duration के लिए, that is between 7:30 a.m. to 10 a.m. Okay, let's see. We have a 7:30 here down here. So bicycles may only be taken. They are allowed, but during peak of travel hours, right, 7:30 a.m. तक और फिर 10 के बाद. तो yes, they are allowed, but the question statement and the passive statement both talk different timings, which is why it's a again false answer. अब यहाँ पे I'm getting a little nervous because yeah, what's the need to be nervous? Okay. Additional trams run during Gobridge festival period. तो टेक्निकली क्या मतलब है? Additional trams मतलब और extra trams चलाई जाएंगी Gobridge festival period. Gobridge festival period should be easy to identify. Implied meaning भी होते हैं तो कई बार तो don't do it blindfoldedly, but yeah, prohibited as trams carry extra passengers at these times. Once on board, riders should remain with the festivals here, but it's not specifically talking about Gobridge festival period, or it says that what does it say? The same trams will carry extra passengers, but extra trams चलाई जाएंगी नहीं चलाई जाएंगी, it's not very clearly done, so it's a not given. Okay, last one, and just one big chunk of sentence left. Okay, cyclists may be asked to leave. निकलो यहाँ से, right? If they are blocking, होगा थोड़ी ना यार, it's not India, right? Once on board, riders should remain their bicycles throughout the journey. They should not obstruct the entrance, exit. But क्या उनको निकाला जाएगा? Will they be thrown out? It's not mentioned, and if it is not mentioned, it is not given. All right. So this brings me to the end of all 7 questions under this true false not given. Hope you liked it. This video specifically on demand was made in Hindi English. Lekin if you feel that I should be doing it in complete English, please let me know in the comments. If you want to consult with me on phone personally, my number will be on the screen. I am not very sure what I will be bringing next. It comes based on your demand and what YouTube recommends. But yes, I'm trying to bring some kind of live discussion on an everyday basis. But for that, I need motivation from you people. So make sure you please subscribe to the channel and hit the like button so that I know you people are liking this. नहीं तो हम content change कर देंगे. Right? Till then, happy preparation. If you've got any doubts, comment section is open and my WhatsApp is also ready to welcome you with all flying colors. Till then, bye bye.